Hi friends, good morning one and all. Today I will start our bookkeeping and accountancy chapter first, introduction to partnership and partnership final account. But I will start partnership final account. But before start, just I ask you, in the last video, all of you learned that what's the partnership? Yes, anybody tell me? Yeah, partnership means the drawback of sole proprietor concern. So a new form of organization came to an existence. Hence, when a business is to be set up on a scale which needs more capital and involves more risk. So that's why two or more persons come together and start the business to run it. So they agree to share the capital, management, risk and profit of a business. So such a relation based on an agreement. Agreement means last chapters, last point. You have learned that agreement means a partnership deed. So in the partnership deed, in this agreement among these persons termed as partnership. Okay. So now I will start preparation of final account. So how to prepare final account. But before start the final account, just we see here various steps in accounting. So when we prepare a final account is the last step. So what's the first step? Preparation of journal. Last year, standard 11, all of you learned that. All of you guys learn that journal, ledger and trial balance. Okay, so anybody tell me what's the meaning of journal? Yes, journal is the books of original entry are recorded each and every day, daily records of transaction. So that means journal means a daily record. Okay, then after second steps of accounting, preparation of ledger. So ledger, it is a book of final entry. It is a large book with separate pages of each accounts. So that means ledger means a summary of all the transactions relating to persons, assets, expenses and incomes. Okay, so that is the next step means second step is a preparation of ledger, and then third one, prepare a trial balance. So trial balance means the list of debit and credit balances of all the ledger. So that is called the trial balance. So that means first we prepare journal entry, then ledger, then trial balance, and then after we have prepared the final accounts. Okay, in the final accounts, first prepare trading account, second profit and loss account, and third one the balance sheet. Okay, so this is the various steps in accounting. Next point is necessity of preparation of final accounts. So that means why we prepare the final accounts. Here was the purposes of final account. First important point is to find out the gross profit, gross loss and net profit and net loss of the business during the year. Next point is to know the financial position of the business at the end of every financial year. So all of you know the what's the financial year starting is 1st April to 31st March. It is the financial year. Okay. So next point is find out the number of debtors and creditors. Prepare various accounts. Why we prepare the accounts? Because of the for the future planning. To find out the sources and application of fund. To find out the value of goodwill for the purpose of reconstruction of firm. To calculate various taxes of firm like income tax, etc. So these all points is the how, why we prepare the final accounts. Here was the purposes of final accounts. Okay, so now I will start the next point. Hi friends, now I start trading account. In the first video, I taught you purpose of final account, and now I will start the final account's first account, trading account. Trading account is a nominal account. All of you know. What's the rule of nominal account? Anybody tell me? Yes, debit all expenses and losses and credit all incomes and gains. Okay, so that means we have written in the debit side all the expenses, credit side all the incomes. So in the trading account we have written all the direct expenses. This is the format specimen of trading account. Debit side all the direct expenses and credit side all the direct incomes. So direct expenses means related to the factory, related to the goods. For example, direct expenses, for example, wages, freight, royalties, factory lighting, factory rent, works manager salary. So that means this all is the direct expenses related to the factory, related to the goods. Okay. So when the debit side is more than the credit side, so in that time gross loss account shows the gross loss, remember. Okay, when the credit side is more than the debit side, in that time account shows the gross profit. Credit side we have written all the income, but which incomes? Direct incomes related to goods, for example sales, closing stocks, goods lost by fire, yeah, goods lost in accident, yeah, maybe goods taken for personal use. So these all is the direct incomes. So in this debit and credit side balances, so that means debit balances gross loss, credit balances gross profit. These gross profit or gross loss transfer to the profit and loss account. This is our next account, profit and loss account. Profit and loss account also the nominal account. So that means we have written in the debit side all expenses, credit side all the incomes. But here it is, remember all the indirect expenses we have written and credit side all the indirect incomes we have recorded. Direct expenses and direct incomes, trading account. Indirect expenses and indirect incomes, profit and loss account. Okay. So indirect expenses means such a expenses is related to the office or administrative expenses. Yeah, financial expenses. So that means selling and distribution expenses we have recorded in the debit side. In the credit side, all the indirect incomes. Indirect, for example, just like commission received, rent received, discount received, etc. This is the format of profit and loss account. Debit side all the direct expenses, credit side all the indirect expenses, and credit side all the indirect incomes. Okay. So when the credit balances is more than the debit balances, credit side is more than the debit side. So in that time account shows net profit, and when the debit side is more than the credit side, so in that time net loss. So this account is the net loss is showing. So this net profit and net loss transfer to the capital account. Yeah, directly we have written in the balance sheet. Balance sheet, it is not an account, remember, this is a statement, and this statement showing a financial position of a particular debt. One side, so that means left hand side liability, and in the right hand side assets we have recorded. The balance sheet, why we prepare the balance sheet? Statement showing the financial position of the firm. This is the format, a specimen of a balance sheet.